Hi there, Chris Kenney here. Welcome to Money Monday. And today, what I want to talk about is something that took place for me in my life this week. My wife, Kate, was having an issue with her sink in our bathroom. We have dual sinks, and apparently, the water pressure for the cold water had diminished and it was getting worse and worse. But I had no idea because it's not the sink that I use. So Kate came to me and said, I can't get water pressure here. And so I was able to figure it out and I was able to fix it. And there's a little backstory with that. I've never been a Mr. Fix-It. I've never been a person that's really great at turning a wrench or just fixing things in general. And I was able to fix this. And what it made me really think about is how important it is and how powerful it is when we have someone in our lives that really, really believes in us. And that one of those people in my life is Kate. I know Kate really, really believes in me. And when somebody really believes in you, let me just put it this way. When somebody believes in me, I'm willing to try harder. I'm willing to go forward with more vigor and more effort because I know that if I fall or if I don't quite get it right, there isn't going to be judgment. There's just going to be belief. I really, really believe in you. So because of that, I was able to go under that sink and actually figure it out and, oh my gosh, get the reward of actually fixing the sink. So this is so important when I think about mentors, when I think about mentorship. Some of the biggest gifts that I've gotten from the people that I've mentored with is that they believe in me. When you have somebody in your court that really believes in you, the things, the power, the way that you show up, the things you can create in your life are tremendous. So it's Thanksgiving week here in the US. So I want to say thank you to all of you. And I hope there's somebody in your life that really believes in you. Have an amazing day. Bye.